How to fix report code c14A on Snapchat.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem in just 1 minute. I use it a fairly simple way. We first need to check the update of our application. This is the first version that can cause us a problem. Go to the App Store or Play Market and find the Snapchat app. As you can see, I'm fine and the app has been updated, but there may also be another solution that we can to solve the problem. Go to settings and find the Snapchat app, and here we have two features that can choose. It's an offload app or delete app. You can choose as both offload app, but I advise you to delete app and install it again, and your program will be eliminated. Hope I helped you. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to the channel.